What's going on, everybody? John here from Bearded Outdoorsman Chronicles. Just coming at you with a quick tip from the woods again. So if you're like me, you've probably spent a lot of time untangling ropes. Your pull ropes for your gun or your bow, straps, your linements, your tethers, all that kind of stuff. So what I found to kind of help out with that is this is my pull-up rope that I used to pull my bow up this morning. Take your clip or the end of the rope in your hand, close your hand, open up your pinky and your thumb, take your excess rope, and then figure 8 between your thumb and your pinky until you're done wrapping up your rope. And once you're done, you can grab like right off your middle knuckle here, pull it all off, take your end, put it right in straight. Then you got a nice little bundle that doesn't get tangled up on you. Started doing that a couple years ago, and it has saved me a ton of headaches in the woods. So yeah, something simple, but just that quick figure 8. It's going to keep your rope management a lot cleaner. So hopefully that helps. Until next time, shoot straight.